549, FILE896, part 49, Fiopunk, part 8. Let's get into it. We're going to go over all the 549 deltas because, well, we're on video 549. So let's get going. So in Fiopunk, within this click me section, inside of win save click, we added a little logging message right here if this is not a function, right? If this is not a function, we're going to end up in this branch. We're going to log this. And that led me to find out the problem. I found out the problem. So in the external API section, within the save function, we fixed the problem. We had 3 bugs right here. We need to use our custom has function at these 3 sites because we use a custom nil type where we put the word nil inside of a string, and we treat that as nil, but that's not part of the JavaScript spec. That's part of how we do things. So we had to make that fix here, and then we did the same thing in the complementary function. In the complementary load function, loading a PNG of any size. So OAS of any size, same exact 3 fixes, but for the other domain object model element, the one for the hack to get a download box to show up, right? So we use the has function 3 times here, 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 and here. That's all we did. So now it's fixed, and we can use the Konami code to save to disk. That actually works. Up, up, down, down, left, right, and M. And I can't show you in this playlist because we don't have time. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. And if you want to see a demo of what the code actually does, you can go to this playlist. Yeah, go to this playlist, right? Because we take a little bit longer and we can show you stuff. This is the fast playlist, so I don't have time here. And source code for this video is here, and you can go here for, I don't know, emailing me? Yeah. And this is the technical demos playlist, and boy, I'm not describing things very well. Anyways, I'm working on an MMO. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's basically a side-scroller Bomberman game, so like and subscribe if that's your kind of thing. Like and subscribe. This is the technical documentation, by the way, in case you're, like, wondering, what the fuck is this? I don't get it, right? It's technical documentation. I'm documenting my code base, all right?